Good morning everyone. Today topic is weighted arithmetic mean. How to calculate weighted arithmetic mean? So first you should know the meaning of weighted arithmetic mean. So when different items of a series are weighed according to their relative importance, the average of such series is called weighted arithmetic average. A weighted arithmetic average is thus the mean of weighted items. Weights are indicated by W. Here, this is the formula xw equal to sigma wx upon sigma w. In other questions, you must have seen frequency was given, which was denoted by f. But in this question, we will see the weight in place of frequency. You have to treat weight as frequency. But what is the meaning of weight? Means the importance of relative numbers in the series. Okay, so in place of frequency, you will use only weight, and weight will be indicated by W here, and marks are indicated by X. So marks are given, weight is given, then you have to calculate according to the formula. First you will calculate the sigma Wx. Sigma Wx means the multiplication of X and W. So 81 multiplied by 2 equal to 162. 76 multiplied by 3 equal to 228. 74 equal to multiply by 6 equal to 444. 58 multiplied by 7 equal to 406. 70 multiplied by 3 equal to 210. 73 multiplied by 7 equal to 511. Here may be any calculation mistake, then you can tell me, ma'am, this is the wrong one. So you can also calculate it this one once again. After this we will do the sum of these all wx, then we will get sigma wx, that is 1961, and we will do the sum of all the weight, that is sigma w equal to 28. Now put the values in the formula. 1961 divided by 28, then you will get sigma w, that is 70.03. You can also calculate, then you can get the correct answer. Okay, then see combined arithmetic mean. What is combined arithmetic mean? Combined arithmetic means when different arithmetic mean are given in the question and different numbers are given in the question, then we will combinedly calculate the arithmetic mean. This is the formula x1 and 2. Here you will see x bar 1 and n is the number and x bar is the mean value given in the question. Okay, first you have to multiply the first one mean and number, then you have to add them with the multiplication of second value of the mean and second value of the numbers. Then you have to do the sum of number of the one value and number of the second value. Here you can see x1 and 2 is combined arithmetic mean of parts 1 and 2 of a series. Then what is x bar 1? That is arithmetic mean of part 1 of the series. Then x bar 2 arithmetic mean of part 2 of the series. Then n1 number of items in part 1 of the series. Then n2 number of items in part 2 of the series. Here you can see the question. 60 students of section A of class 11th obtained 40 mean marks in statics. 40 students of section B, here was section A, here is section B. So 40 students of section B obtained 35 mean marks in statics. Now find out mean marks in statics for class 11th as a whole. So here n1 is 60, x bar is 40, this one. Okay, then n2 is 40, number of the student. Then x2, that is mean, x bar 2 equal to 35. Then x bar 1 and 2 combinedly we have to calculate. Then multiply 40 into 60 plus 35 into 40, divide by 60 plus 40. Okay, then you will get the values 2400 plus 1400 divided by 100. Once you can also calculate, maybe any calculation mistake here. So 3800 divided by 100 equal to 38. That is x bar 1 and 2, means the combined arithmetic mean of section A and B students, marks of statics. Okay, so same, I will give you the questions. These are the questions which you have to calculate. There is a combined arithmetic mean. Here combined arithmetic mean you have to calculate, and here find out weighted arithmetic mean. Okay, these questions I have already sent you in the WhatsApp group, so you can find out from there and calculate and send your answers. You can pause the video, then you can write the questions. Here also you can pause the video, then write the question. Okay, that's all.